Welcome students in my new tutorial, and today I'll be teaching you to make a program in which we will find the percentage and grade of a student. In this we'll make a program which will ask you the marks of 5 different subjects and the maximum marks of each subject will be 100. So directly we'll start the program. So I'll make a new file for that. Click on file and new file. I'll maximize it. Firstly, I'll print the name of the program. Program to find the percentage and grade of a student. So now my first statement with which I'll start, enter the so what I have printed, enter the marks of 5 subjects out of 100 marks each. That means I have to enter the marks of 5 subjects and the maximum marks of each subject will be 100. After this I want to print one line just to give the gap in between. So like this I can make one line. And after this I want to start with a variable and I'll give it the name as name only. Name is equal to input. So in this I want to input or to take the name of the student. That by my program, that means my program will ask the name of a student whose marks I have to feed. After this again I want to print one line just to give the gap. It's your wish whether you want to give the line or not, but in my case I want to give the line. Now I want to enter the marks. For that I have to initialize different variables. Suppose I am starting with English variable. Here I can take it as integer and float, but I am taking it as a float because suppose I am getting the marks like 94.3 or 88.2. So for wanting to add the points, I want to take my variable as float. So I'll write here as float input, again one bracket, enter the marks of English. Here I also want to put is equal to so that it looks nice, and one more bracket to close. Now the same thing I have to go ahead along with for other subject. What I'll do, I'll work in a smarter way. I'll just select this whole line, edit and copy, and then here I'll paste, Control V, and here I'll write Hindi or Hin I'll write. So enter the marks of Hindi, and this I'll try to put is equal to under the top is equal to, so that the alignment should be proper. English, Hindi, and again I'll Control V, and here I'll write English, Hindi, now Math, MAT. Of course you can give MATH also, it depends upon your choice, but I am taking it as Maths just for a proper alignment because I am giving the name of the variable of 3 characters only. So here I'll write enter the marks of maths, and again is equal to, I'll just little bit make it at the along with the alignment of the previous is equal to's of English and Hindi. So it looks nice. The same way again I'll control V, and here I'll write science, enter the marks of science subject. So here I have to change. So here nothing I have to do, it's coming full, alignment is proper. Then again in the next line I'll press Ctrl plus V, SST, enter the marks of social studies. Okay, so that means I am able to enter the marks of 5 subjects. Now I have to total the marks also, and for that I'll take one variable total is equal to, now I have to add all the variables which are storing the marks of each subjects, and of course the maximum marks of each subject is 100. So according to that, please fill the marks. So total is equal to English plus Hind plus maths plus science plus SST. So here I am able to enter all the marks. Firstly, I want to check whether my program is working till this part or not. And for that, what I'll do, I'll print one statement here. Print total. Okay, so this I am doing because I want to check whether my program is totaling all the marks or not. That means it is working till here or not. So I'll just close the bracket. I'll save this. Save and save as works same for the first time. Click on save as. I'll go to desktop, students, and here I'll give the name as percentage. Percentage and grade. Now I'll run the program. Enter the name of the student. Suppose AAA. Enter the marks of English, suppose 80, 90, any marks I can enter, just it will give the result. And just see, because I have aligned so it looks nice in my program, is equal to is coming under the bottom of is equal to, which is seen on the top. That means proper alignment is there. Okay, so the total is coming, that means till here my program is okay. So again I'll go back to my program. That means till here the program is working properly. Now I'll just delete this line, because this I was wanting to see whether my result is coming or not. I'll delete this line. So now I have to calculate the percentage, and the formula of percentage will be total multiply by 100, and the maximum marks, 5 subjects are there, that means 5 subjects 100 marks each, so means it is 500 divided by 500. So here I'll write print the name of the student. So my variable name is name only, this one. So I'll type here name, comma, inverted commas, got, then I'll use PER variable, percentage variables. So I'll close the bracket. Let's see whether my program is working till here or not. Firstly, I have to click on file and save. Press F5. Enter the name of the student like AAA. Like suppose 90, 98, 95, 93, marks of social studies 91. So AAA got 93.4. That means this is the percentage overall what he got. Now my second part of the program will start from here, where I have to calculate the grade also. And for that, again I'll go towards my taskbar at the bottom, and from here I'll shift towards my program. Now here actually I have to find the grade, and for grade I have to use if statement. That means a case statement where plenty of options are there and we have to find the proper option according to the percentage. So I'll set some conditions, and I want that if the student gets 95 percentage or above, he should get A++. For that, I'll start with if percentage is greater than is equal to 95, I want to save the result in some variable. I'll tell you why. So just now I am taking some variable, like suppose grade I am giving. Grade is equal to, and I'll type here A++. Now elif, again the condition starts, and what I'll do, I'll just copy this just to work in a more smarter way. Control C and then Control V. If percentage is greater than is equal to 85, mind it, this is the condition which I am giving. In your case, you can set your own conditions. So if any student is getting more than 85 or is equal to 85, then he can get A, or I could do here 90. I think 90 will be okay. Then A plus. Again I'll copy this. This I am doing just to make my work faster. Control V. The percentage is greater than is equal to 85. Then I am giving here as A. Again, now this time I could use 60. Now see, I am giving multiple ifs, different case statements I am giving, and it's very easy in Python. So now elif percentage is greater than is equal to 60, grade is equal to A plus, okay. And for 60 I can give as B. Greater than is equal to 50, I can give here as C. And again, if percentage greater than is equal to 40, D. Till here I want to check. If still his marks is less than 40, then I could give here, instead of elif, I could write here. I think there is no need of this now. I can just simply write else this double colon is very important to put in each case. Grade is equal to F. F means fail. So this is my program till here. Now I have saved my result. That means the grade I have saved in grade variable only. Now I want to print overall result. So what I could do, this line, print line, this I want to copy from here. And here I also want to print. Here I want to paste it. Print name got percentage, and here only I could write and his grade is equal to grade. So for this I am using this grade variable, this grade variable. This is again the name variable. What I have done, I have just copied from here. This one at last I could delete because there is now no need. I'll get all the result here only. Firstly, I should check it. I'll save the program and I'll run it. Enter the name of the student. Suppose AAA. Enter the marks of English. Suppose 98, 99, 95, 97, 99. So just see, AAA got 97.6 and his grade is equal to A plus. That means my program is running properly. Now only this line is extra. So this I can delete. So again I'll move towards my coding window, and from here this line I'll delete, this one, because this line I am using here also along with the grade. So this line I have to delete. So I'll save my program. Now I'll run the program once again. Enter the name of the student, suppose AAA. Enter the marks of English. "98, 90, 88, 80, 84. So AAA got 90% and his grade is equal to A plus. So that means this condition is also working. Let's try to fail him. Again I'll run the program. Name of the student CCC. English, suppose 20, 23, 25, 26, 28. So CCC got 24.4 and his grade is equal to F. That means F means fail. So that means my program is working properly, and I hope you have understood how to find the percentage. I think this basic program of percentage I have taught earlier also, but in this program along with the percentage we were also able to find the grade. So with this I'll be closing my program, and if you understood what I want to teach you, then please do like, share and comment, and also subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it earlier. Okay, bye bye, take care, meet you soon in my new tutorial.